So many families in East Harlem know LSA or Little Sisters or Las Hermanitas. It's the place where everyone is welcomed through its doors. LSA was honestly always a constant in my life growing up. They always provided support for me and my mom. The fact that they were always willing to help, caring for us the way that a friend or a neighbor cares for us. As a child, they really empowered me. When we do the work today, that's exactly what we do. We can inspire people and get them the resources that they need. This is the most amazing part about LSA, our hearts. My name is Carolina Tenecela. I am the Community Health Director here at LSA Family Health Service. I've been working here for about 2.5 years, but I actually know LSA since I was 2.5. My family has pretty much benefited from all of the programs here. I first arrived to East Harlem when my mother was given an apartment at one of the NYCHA buildings, East River. And so we were connected to LSA through a social worker. My mom needed a lot of support. She didn't have much family here, didn't know how to use the services, and hardly spoke any English. And LSA was the place where she could go to ask questions and help her navigate through different benefits and see what she could qualify for. What first brought me through LSA's doors was the food pantry. My mom wasn't always able to afford food for the month, and the food pantry helped supplement that. My mother also received family support services. This program helped her connect with other parents and gave her a lot of tools to be able to raise me. They encouraged her to learn English and to get me into good schools. That really set the foundation for my education. I was able to be bilingual from a very young age and learn how to be social. I was part of the mentoring program with Martha. It was just 5 of us, and today that small little group has become the K-5 enrichment program, which serves about 30 students. It's really amazing to see how the social-emotional component is now part of the curriculum. It's about providing support to the entire family. So it's the students with their caregiver. When Martha would talk to me, then she would talk to my mom, and they would have conversations about my future, how I was doing in school, what I could do better, how I could get there. My mom was amazing, and she was always able to give me all the love and affection that I needed. But my mom had so much trauma from arriving to this country. What she really needed was someone to help her process this. Today, more than ever, we're realizing how important addressing mental health is, how important it is to give support to those who need it, not just physically, but also emotionally, spiritually. A program like this would have been so helpful for my mom, because when the mother is supported, then she can then support her children emotionally as well. As I grew up, I would always come back for different programs, events that we had. I would come and volunteer wherever they needed me. It's so important for the East Harlem community that LSA keep its doors open. People need somewhere to go to be able to receive some support. And with the right resources, with the right access to good schools, to good programs, the community can achieve amazing things. Just the way that I was helped, but we also need support from our volunteers, from our donors, so that we can create more programs that we know are gonna help the community. LSA holds so much of the essence of East Harlem. I can't even imagine what East Harlem would look like without LSA. Anyone is welcome to come through our doors, and you can see the real work that we're doing here. Join me in helping LSA create a healthier East Harlem.